Okay, so we'll be discussing today switch case. So this is a very basic example of a switch case program. Okay, so here we have declared a variable that is integer n equals to 0. Then we have started with the switch statement. Then we have the cases. Okay, inside switch we'll have all the cases, whatever the conditions suppose we have. So in instead of if else we are using a switch here. So here the value of n is 0, so it will come to this one. Switch is having the value of 0, so it will search like which case is having this particular value 0. So the first case is having the value 0, so what it will do, this value will come here. Okay, case 0, and it will print this statement. Okay, after that we have given break, because if we don't give break here, it will run all the cases, case 0, case 1, default, all the cases. Okay, so I'll just quickly run this one. You can see the output first here. Suppose if I remove break from here, okay, from all the cases, so what it will do, it will print all of them. See, you can see first, second, third. You can see the output here. It has printed the first, and it has come to the case 1 and default also. What is default? If these two cases are not in this, suppose the value of n is 2. Okay, so we have only case 0 and case 1, we don't have case 2. So by default it will come to this one. Just like else condition, we have default in switch case. Okay, so it will print the value third. I'll just run this one. See, you can see it has printed the value of third, and without break, because we don't have any other statement after this, after default. So that's why it has only printed third. So I'll just put a break here. So it should run only one time, that particular case. Okay, that's it. So this is a very basic example. Instead of if else, you can use a switch case, because it is much more easy to read and easy to understand, like which case to run at what time. So we can just based on the cases, we can just pass the value in the switch, and we can run that particular method or class or program. Okay, that's it. Thank you.